Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix error please close other Riot Games products before signing out Valorant. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to, probably the easiest way, open up Riot client, and on the top right corner you should see sign out button and press sign out, and it should be fixed. But if the problem persists, then you can go and press Windows and R key to get this little run window, or just on search just write run and then write app data. And once you do that, then you need to go to local, and then you need to find Riot Games here, and then delete all the files from here. Don't worry, it's just the cache files, it won't affect your game. And then after you've done this, then you need to go to apps and features, and you need to uninstall Vanguard. Press here and uninstall it. And after you've done this, then you need to go back to Riot client, log into your account here, log into your account, and all the files will be installed automatically after you log in your account. You will see that Valorant is updating here. And the next thing that you can do, and after you install the Vanguard, you should be seeing the update button here and see that Vanguard is installing. After you install the Vanguard, you need to restart your computer and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.